Ocean Life by Jill McDonald. Our big blue oceans are full of life. Dive in and take a look. Whales are the giants of the ocean. A blue whale can grow to be as long as 2 school buses. Whales breathe air through a blowhole on the top of their head. Dolphins are smart and playful. Squawk, click. They communicate with one another by making sounds. Dolphins travel in groups called pods. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one grows quickly in. A baby shark is called a pup. An octopus has 8 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you count them all? An octopus also has 3 hearts, blue blood, 9 brains, and no bones. Have you ever held a seashell? They come in lots of shapes, colors, and sizes. You can find them at the beach. A seashell is a hard cover for an animal that lives in the ocean. What's that? It's a seahorse. It can quickly change colors to blend in with the background, helping it hide from enemies. A seahorse father carries eggs in a pouch until they are ready to hatch. Pinch, pinch. Crabs and lobsters have hard shells on the outside of their bones. Their claws open and close to catch food. Sea turtles have flippers to help them swim. They live mostly in water, but they lay their eggs in the sand on the beach. Sea turtles have lived since the time of dinosaurs. Fish have a tail and fins to help them swim. Most fish are covered with scales, which protect their body and help them move. Fish breathe through gills on the sides of their heads. Jellyfish have long tentacles, which they use to capture food and sting their enemies. Some jellyfish can glow in the dark. What is your favorite ocean animal? THEEND, the end.